The Look for Less is hosted by Zulug and CJ DIY with the special guest Miguelitos DIYs. You don't want to miss these superstars. They can make the Look for Less sing a beautiful song. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. The link to their channels is listed in the description box below. There are other DIYers that are in this playlist that are wonderful creators, so check out their channels and subscribe, like, save, and comment. The playlist is in the description box below, so sit back and be amazed. I happen to like unusual and classy photo frames, and the Cork frame fits into this category. So DIY number 1, a Cork picture frame. The supplies needed include Cork fabric, a picture frame from Dollar Tree, and hot glue. That is it. The supplies are few and simple. You can add some pizzazz if you choose. But the frame was seen on the Hudson & Vine website. It was made out of natural cork and came in different sizes. I obtained my frame from Dollar Tree and it was 5 by 7. I had a remnant of real cork fabric with a hint of silver that I had purchased from Joann Fabrics. It was $7 a yard because it was on sale. However, I only used a piece that was 7 by 9 inches. I wrapped it around the frame and used hot glue to secure the backside to the frame. I avoided the piece where you inserted the picture at that time. Next, I cut the front of the frame with an X. Yep, I just snipped it right up to the 4 corners, then folded it to the back side and glued it together. So the corners were crisp and clean. After this was completed, I removed the paper that was in the middle and put my own art in the frame, and it looked so high-end. The materials were not the same as the dupe, but I think it came out pretty close. The cost of theirs was $48, and mine cost approximately $3, a savings of $45, and I think this is a winner. The Perigold candle holder comes in a set, and I made the first of the set last year. This year, I am making the other part of the set. So DIY number 2, a Perigold candle holder. The supplies needed include 2 marble bowls from Dollar Tree, plaster of Paris, and of course you have to add water to this, a plastic piece from a martini cup from Dollar Tree, PVC coupling, 1 5/8 inch, metal gold Krylon spray paint, some gray acrylic paint, some buttermilk acrylic paint, white chalk acrylic paint, and E6000. Now this dupe is from Perigold Ella Home Hemisphere Candlestick and is made from marble and stainless steel rings. It has a minimal contemporary touch, so let's see how this dupe turns out. I purchased the 2 bowls from Dollar Tree and used E6000 to adhere the bowls bottom to bottom. These bowls are probably made from ceramic or some other composite, but not marble. However, the bowls have similarities. I let them dry overnight before I began the next process. Now it was time to make the gold half rings. I taped the bowl to make a half moon gold ring on the top and the bottom bowl. Krylon metallic gold paint was used to make the perfect half rings. The next morning, I mixed enough plaster of Paris to fill the top bowl and let it settle and harden and dry. The top was painted with a mixture of buttermilk and white acrylic chalk paint. Then I tried to make the lines to make them look like marble. Now I had to complete the gold ring on the top following the same process. I put the plastic piece on the bottom from the goblet and I glued with E6000, and then I added the couplet. I made the other candlestick last year in the Look for Less collaboration, but this is a larger one and it cost $333. I made this one for $5.89, or you could round it up to $6. This is a savings of $327. Let me know what you think. DIY number 3, a mushroom lamp. Now you are seeing these mushroom lamps all over the internet, and it can be very easily made with supplies from Dollar Tree. I use one 6-inch glass bowl and one 9-inch tall curved vase, and camouflage spray paint, and one puck light. Now this mid-century mushroom lamp is by Valley Cruise, and it is perfect for your bedside stand, your kitchen, foyer, or your bathroom. This lamp has a soft beige glow managed by a puck light. Now this is a very easy dupe for the time that you spend. The thing that's probably takes more time is taping it off. Then I use the camouflage spray paint to cover the inside of the bowl and the inside of the stem of the mushroom lamp. Then I took the sticker off the puck light and stuck it to the bottom of the bowl. And then, of course, you're going to turn the bowl upside down on top of your 9-inch tall curved base. Turn the light on and see the beautiful glow of the light. Now, if I had to redo this, I would just use some frosted white paint to give it more of an opaque look. My lamp costs $3.50, and the mid-century mushroom lamp sold by Valley Cruise costs $139. This is a savings of $135.50. I think if I had to redo it, I would make it from plastic instead of glass, or either drill a hole in the top of the glass bowl so that you can actually thread a small light through there and have it plugged into electricity. But anyway, I think it turned out okay. Well, that is all, Z9 Design family. I am so glad you stopped by to see what I've made. I am almost at 900. I'm still working, trying to get there. I think I have 4 to go, and hopefully when this video goes up, I will be at 900. So make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment so you can be entered into the drawing when I get to 900. And also check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And remember, what is done in love is done well. This is by Vincent van Gogh. See you later. Bye-bye.